Great.
We set up the Kerry Health and Nutrition Institute in 2015, and we were at the start of our journey around tasting nutrition, a place where people could think about nutrition and how it relates to the food industry, what was influencing from a science point of view, what was influencing it from a market point of view, and put out some thought leadership.
A key challenge for the industry is misinformation, fake news, social media.
Some of the challenges are very much around the role of processed food in industry.
It's really important for the food industry to have clear, simple messages, translating that science. So we do that at Kerry Health and Nutrition Institute through webinars or articles. Our content that we create helps us to bring face to the research that we're reading about.
We collaborate with over 60 different universities and research institutes.
We are located in over 70 technology and innovation centers across the globe. So we have a wide range of expertise, and we can understand what's happening at a global level, at a regional level. The way KHNI anticipate and address emerging trends in foods and nutrition is through our Scientific Advisory Council. We have a lot of interactions with them and we discuss what they are seeing.
We try to connect what's going on in market and what's going to happen in the market in the future, and also then link that to the science and the science of food.
It's incredibly accessible, it's easily understandable, not just to people who have a scientific or an R&D role. I'm not a scientist, but it makes sense to me, and I'm very interested, and I want to know what are the facts behind key trends, regulatory changes, hot topics going on in the industry.
Sustainable nutrition is one of the biggest challenges that we have as a global population today. Kerry Health and Nutrition Institute has a sustainable nutrition hub. We create lots of content around how do you actually produce food in a sustainable way.
So we do a lot of work around white papers, webinars that are easily accessible to all consumers. We are that entity that's always looking at the future of food, how it needs to evolve, and linking back to science and what that's telling us, and then trying to bring the best of that to the fore.
We have a community of RDNA of over 1,000 people that are located all across the globe.
In the next 10 years, I'm most excited about expanding our reach even further, creating content in even more languages, going to even more countries with this content, finding new experts in new areas of science and collaborating with them so that we can really stay at the forefront.